Good morning from Spain. Now you might be wondering why I'm drinking my morning coffee in the ocean at 7 a.m. I don't know. Alrighty, but I am in Spain for 2 weeks with Marty and her family. But damn, I gotta say something. Norwegian seagulls, they attack your food. But the damn Spanish seagulls, they were just ganging on my drone. They were all like diving and trying to hit the drone. I don't know why. They would probably die if I hit it, because the drone is a freaking beast and seagulls are not. Okay, let's go wake up Marty. Ow, 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 ow. There he is, Juan the seagull. That damn seagull. What a douche. Nobody likes you. Damn Juan the seagull. And Marty Party is awake, and we are on our way for El Breakfasto, because we are El Hungrio. Oh, Kinder. Ooh. Oh, nice Doritos. Toren, your guiding angels want to speak with you. Toren, what the hell are you doing eating that chocolate? Go get that chocolate, man. Chocolate's live. Gotta get that Kinder. That is how you get motivation to climb up a mountain. It's the perfect balance. You can eat crap and then you just burn it off on the hike. Genius. No, but this is actually my 4th time doing this hike, and it is by far my favorite hike in the world. Just check that out. It is crazy. And last time they actually had chicken wings here. Yes, boy! Woohoo! Hell yeah! Ooh. It was so good. It was like, damn, when I found those. Damn! So I was like, this is a good hike. Alrighty, but that is actually the little town that we are staying in. So I think we're just gonna teleport down. So I'll see you down there. 1, 2, 3, go! Damn, that feels good after a hike. But now, it is time to get some food. So let's go get some food. Yo, mi amigo, que pasa? How are the kids, man? Yeah, I'll just have the usual.
Pardon?
Oh, I'm sorry. In that case, I'll just have the Wilkesburger, please. Yeah, that will be all. Okay, thank you. Thank you. and welcome to the juiciest burger alive. This burger is so damn juicy that it makes apple juice look dry. Oh, hot damn. You could probably marry someone with this burger, it's so good. Just like... Would you like to be my wife? And it's a guaranteed yes, because it's so good. Better than a ring. Okay, but I'm gonna need a minute with this beautiful masterpiece. It's personal. So I will check back later after I drink this juice. Get it? Because it's so juicy. Okay. Alright, now that we have had a burger, we need to remember our balance. If you eat crap, then we need to burn it right off, because that juiciness is gonna come as juice here. And that is why we have rented the ultimate workout. Vroom vroom. You actually have to turn it, so it's pretty heavy. As you can see, it is a really good workout. But we are just gonna wait for the squad. There is like 8 other Norwegians here from Stavanger. So we're gonna wait for them, and we're gonna have some fun. They'll come. The squad will come. Se på den squaden. Oh shit. Wait, not that one. Okay, I got this now.
Your little brother never tells you, but he loves you so. You said your mother only smiled on her TV show. You're only happy when your sorry head is filled with dope. I hope you make it to the day you're 28 years old. You're
Steve.
Everything is gray. His hair, his smoke, his dreams, and now he's so devoid of color. He don't know what it means, and he's blue. And he's blue. Everything is
And that is how you burn your calories here in Spain. Usually I post Sunday, but I'm gonna change it to Wednesday because it just fits much better with the schedule. So there will be a video every Wednesday from now on, every Wednesday. And since we're in Spain, I'm gonna have to end this in Spanish. So hear me out, hear me out. Buenos enchiladas burritos, 14 años, muy bueno de falafel. I said hit the subscribe button because I'll see you next Wednesday. See ya.
Your little brother never tells you, but he loves you so. You said your mother only smiled on her TV show.